Is the comment jump button on Reddit not working properly? If the button is missing, unresponsive, or not taking you to the next comment as expected, in this video I will show you how to fix comment jump button on Reddit app. The first thing you have to do is to go to Reddit. As you see, we'll tap here. Then in this window here you will find this page of profile. We will click on profile. Then here in this window you will find this sign. You will click. Then here in this list you will enter to settings. After that, in this page of settings, what you will find is this window of comment jump button. You have to click on this sign, as you see, to fix this problem. So this is how it works. If you are enjoying watching this video, and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support